Hello, grade 3 and grade 4. It's Mr. McBeth again. I wanted to go over the final activity that we have for slides or translations. Today you're going to be using a sheet with grids, and you are going to be given a figure, and you're going to have to move it to a new location on the grid based off of the slide rule that you're given. You'll be told to move it up and down or left and right, and you'll be told the number of squares. Or you'll already be given the two figures with a slide line, and you'll have to write the rule, and you'll tell me the number of squares left and up, or left and down, or right and up and right and down. So I'm going to give you a few examples right now to show you exactly what I mean together. Right off the sheet you're going to do. So you'll even have a few less questions to do. So the first one we're going to look at is right here in our top corner of the exact page you're going to get. So what normally happens is you would have a figure, which is where you start with an F, and you'll have an image, which is where you're going to move your figure to with an I. And remember, when we're working with slides or translations, it did not turn. So when it started with the figure and moved to the image, notice the bottom is still the bottom. The top is the top. The left side, which is longer, is still the longer on the left side. It did not flip, it did not turn, it did not get bigger, it did not get smaller. So the first thing you can do to help you write the coordinates is to draw a line. So you would take your ruler and you would connect a line from the bottom left corner to the bottom left corner. You have to match the corner. Now, you could have picked the top right and drawn a line to the top right. You could have picked the top left and drawn a line to the top left. It doesn't matter which vertice you pick, as long as you match the matching vertices. Once you've drawn your line, we know we're going from the figure to the image. So I've drawn my line. I can count horizontally across. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across and to the right, and it's 1 down, 2 down, 3 down as well to get lined up. So my line went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. So when it comes time to write my translation, I would write 5R for 5 right and 3D for 3 down. And it's as simple as that. If you're given a question that already has a figure and they don't draw the image, they will give you the rule, and it will tell you 8 right, 3 down, or it might tell you 10 right, 4 up, or it might say 3 right or 3 up, 4 left. It doesn't matter which one we were to pick. We can go right here with question G. It says 8 to the right, 3 down. You pick any vertice you want. I'll start with the top right. I will count 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 3 down, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, and I'll put my dot. Now I'll go to the bottom one. It's the same thing. 8 to the right. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right, 8 to the right, 3 down. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. Now I gotta do the top left. It's the only one I haven't done. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right, 8 to the right, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. Every vertice gets matched, gets done with 8 right and 3 down. I've moved all 3 of my vertices. Because I'm holding the camera, I can't use my ruler to connect them. Normally you would connect all your vertices with your ruler. And because this is the one I drew, it's my image. So I put an I inside of it. And I have moved the entire figure over 8 to the right and 3 down. And you'll notice it's the exact same size, the exact same shape. It hasn't been turned. It's identical because all I did was slide it down into the right. Hopefully you've understood what I've showed you. You can watch this video while you're working on the sheet and it'll make it even easier for you. Again, if you have any questions while you're working on it, send me a message through Edsby. I'll be at my computer all day. Good luck grade 3 and grade 4.